Hi, if you want to activation in YouTube, you need to start your YouTube channel. This video I want to teach you how a desktop create a 0 to 100 YouTube channel from your computer and use it in YouTube University playlist. Welcome, I'm Omar. In this place I decided 0 to 100 I can explain to you in simple language. You can grow well in a shorter time, get a better result in social media today. I am coming to the desktop and I will have a YouTube channel in 0 to 100. Okay. Before we go make the channel, let me explain to you. I suggest to all people, if you want to have a YouTube channel, you can make a separate channel for them. You might have it on Gmail right now. I should be on the phone, but I suggest that Gmail guide for him written because of the copyright page of stroke basic help, which is inside YouTube gives an explanation. After this, if you get 3 copyrights, your account and all channels you have created with all accounts will be deleted. Dependently, if you want to configure your channel legacy and moves and on, and you want to, and you do not see to wallet and use illegal methods. So now let's go and make the channel on the desktop. In that work, you should refer to the first page of Gmail site. Here's my gmail.com. We want to create a new account. Here's create account option. Start entering your last name here, and for the user to, well, now enter your first word to give with where you like, what where you like, confirm password, click on the next option. Here for email recovery, here's your main email. If you have access to there was a region for this account, you can recover it using this email. I apply the gender of the man now. Now click on accept option, scroll down, click the agree. Your account as created. I am going to youtube.com. And here is the sign in option for you to hit the sign and okay. Now I went to the YouTube studio page of the, in here everything everything is ready now, and I can video upload. Click on the create upload. Let's go to the channel to verify your for verify. Click on setting option. Click the channel here. You can see the future eligibility of the there. Here's a verify phone number option. For security, I mode a video to record so that you can activity and to set up verification. if your account is not hacked. For more security, you must activate the second verification, even if you earn money, so that you do not activate if your income destination discussion will not be activated. Be sure to watch the second video and click this discussion. We'll also recorded the summary for the mobile version. If you want to make your channel on your mobile, you can solve this video. I have a suggestion for you. In this video, I will be explain how to set the channel to get better results on YouTube. I will see the next video because God bless you for now. Thank you. Hi.